Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enter a promo code for Victoria's Secret. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so I'm going to head on over to victoriassecret.com. And now from here, I'm just going to put in a random product into my cart. So I might check out the sleep section here. I'm going to pick this shirt. So what I'm basically want to do is just head to the checkout section. That's where the magic happens, where you can add in promo codes. Alright, so I'm going to click on medium large, add to bag. Alright, so this little pop-up will appear. And now I'm going to click on checkout. Might want me to log in. Alright, all looks good. Click on checkout again. Alright, as you can see, we're on the checkout section at Victoria's Secret. So if we scroll down, there should be a spot here to put in a promo or discount code. So I'm just going to keep scrolling down here. And no, there is no spot to put in a promo or discount code at this point in time. So what they do, basically, these companies, every now and then they'll give out promo discount codes to get more customers or get more revenue for the company. And then once they've hit their goal, they will lay back on the promo code. So at this point in time, there's no promo codes available, but maybe next month might be a different story. You'll be able to add in promo codes or discount codes. Yeah, so you just come back and check back and see if they've activated the promo code feature for Victoria's Secret.